Okay, YouTubers, Model 3 2018 door switch for your windows. This switch went bad. Apparently it's right around that time frame. This one guy did a video, excellent video showing how to do this, but he took the door panel off, which you don't have to. So this is just like maybe an update to his. There are 3 Torx screws in here. One right here underneath the door handle. That's the only one you really have to take out, because when you take that out, you can get this plastic piece off. That's all you have to take off. So you take that out. I just put the screw back in the hole for now. That little slot here is where your door light is, and I just unclipped it from it. It's just a little plastic clip, no big deal. These are the 3 tools I used before. It's medium or small size screwdriver, a little pin push. This is a Torx size 30. That's for your door bolt. Flat little screwdriver and your unit. This right here is what you're going to use this on when you're inside the door. You're basically got to get this little thing pushed down or picked up one way or the other. Some guy used a metal toothpick. So you push that down in there, get this to release, take that out. So if this is the new unit, it comes with the harness, just take it off. Because the one that's in the door is still good. You're just going to use it in place, because that harness here goes through the door and back into the frame, which eliminates you taking the door panel off and getting the actual harness in there. So when you're under here, this just clips in. So you just basically unclip it from underneath your emergency release. After you get your bolt out, take the bolt out first so you don't break that. Oh, you get in here, it's a little tough. That little pin is right there. So you have to get that little piece up in there. Let's see if I get my flashlight to sit nicely for us here. So you got to get that little pin up in here, push that, take a flat tip screwdriver or something, push the edges of the clip and push it out. The wire's in here, it's in a little bracket so it doesn't go back too far. That's all you need. Now, with your small screwdriver, you take this screwdriver, you lift this emergency latch up and out of the way. Stick the screwdriver where my finger's at, stick a screwdriver in there, that holds it up out of the way. Once it's up out of the way, and you come in, and these are symmetrical on both sides. One here, one right back here, one here. You don't have to get these 2. I found when you just basically come up here and you just hit the little clip, put a little pressure from the top down, that pops, and then get the back one, that pops. It sets it off on a slight angle. As you can see, those are the tabs you're going for right here. Get this out of the sun. So when you go up there with your screwdriver, you're going in with the tabs right here. Boom, boom. The back one, as you can see, I scratched up quite a bit because I was trying to get the damn thing in there. It's a little tight fit. But what you do when you're pushing those tabs that way, push the unit down a little bit. Crack it like this. The other 2 tabs will give way. You won't break them. It just push it down a little bit, a little firm, and then boom, it pops out. So you really don't have to get the screwdriver up inside here on the back side of the door, because that spot right here is very, very tight. I mean, you can get something up in here to get it, but it's hard to feel these little clips. Just pop these 2, 1 and 2, push down on it. This, of course, is with a screwdriver up and out of the way, so the whole module is exposed. And then you've already unclipped the canon plug piece, wire harness, so that'll pop right out when you do it, and then you got it out. Plug it in, put it back up in the same spot. This is long enough at this point you can basically run the wire back through where they had the harness on the side here to the side, put it back on there, take the whole unit, push it back up in there. This, of course, is still up out of the way. Once you get it clipped in there flush, take the screwdriver out, you're in. That's it. It stays. It's those 4 little clips are holding that up in there. And then you just reverse the order. Just take the bolt out. You don't have to put the bolt back in like I did, but just did there to hold it there. So take it back out, put your piece in there, put your little light back in its little clip right there, and you should be done. So you don't have to take the door off. So it's just an update to that guy who did a really good video showing us how to, the first guy out there to do it. So he set the standard, and now that's it. So don't have to remove the speaker or the door handle or anything like that. So that's it. Good luck.